Welcome to Beechwood Park. My name is Danielle, and today we're in our Hatteras floor plan garden model. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment home is over 1,000 square feet and introduces you to a ton of space. Let's take a look. First, when you walk in, you'll see your dining and living room combination. The included bar area offers extra space for seating. As we step from the dining room into the living room, here you'll find an ample amount of space where you can kick back and enjoy some great times with your family and entertain your guests. From your living room, you have a large patio window with a sliding glass door. This allows for a smooth transition out onto your own personal patio. And don't worry, you'll be able to set up patio furniture as well. So be ready to enjoy a nice cup of coffee on a cool morning or a nice glass of tea on a warm sunny evening. As you step into your kitchen, you'll notice our espresso cabinetry along with stainless hardware and stainless steel appliances. This home comes fully equipped with refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave. You also have an ice maker built into your freezer, as well as a garbage disposal in your dual basin sink. This home comes with everything you need and then some. Off to the side, you'll also notice a pantry area so that you can store your canned goods or even your pet food if necessary. This 2-bedroom floor plan also has the convenience of washer and dryer hookups. This has enough space for a full-size side-by-side washer and dryer. And don't worry, if you don't have your own, we can definitely refer you to a local company for a rental. Here in the first bedroom, when you step in, you'll notice you have tons of space. This room can fit up to a queen-size bed comfortably and one nightstand, so just enough space to relax. This room can also serve as an office space or even a hobby area for you to enjoy some of your favorite activities. This bedroom also has an oversized closet where you can have all of your clothes and shoes. When you walk into your first bathroom, you'll also notice the espresso cabinetry and faux granite-like countertops. With the new LED lighting package and also this tub and shower combination, you'll enjoy getting ready in the morning. And don't forget, you have built-in linen shelving for your extra towels and toiletry items. When you step into your main bedroom, you'll find an ample amount of space to relax. This room can fit up to a king-size suite, which will include your king bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser and mirror combination. And even in your extra space, you have enough room to set up a little reading corner to enjoy. And over here on this side of the room, you'll fall in love with your oversized closet. With enough space for all of your seasonal clothing and shoes, you won't have to worry about getting rid of that favorite outfit anytime soon. In addition to, you have enough space to actually add in a dresser for more storage if necessary. This room also comes with its own personal bathroom. You'll also have the new LED lighting package and a tub shower combination. Thanks for checking out our Hatteras floor plan model. For more information or to put in an application for your new home today, visit our website or give us a call. We look forward to welcoming you home at Beechwood Park.